Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates with Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. So today's job notification has come from HP Hewlett Packard. They are hiring for IT developer position. It is a developing job. So if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button for this video. And if you want daily job updates, you have to subscribe my channel and don't skip this video. We will discuss in detail how to apply for this job and what is the eligibility criteria, all in details. Stay tuned with me. So let's start this video. Hewlett Packard of Campus Drive, it is going on. Freshers recruitment it is, and they are hiring for IT developer position. You can see, and the job profile name is IT developer or engineer 1. Working location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. And experience needed is 0 to 2 years experience. So freshers can apply for this job. And also 1 and 2 year experience candidate can apply for this job. Degree needed is BTech, MCA, BSc, BCA. All these disciplines can apply for this job. And also 2020 pass out, 2019 pass out, and 2018 pass out can apply for this job. Okay, and the responsibilities you need to perform there. You need to participate as a member of development team, performs basic analysis of functional requirements, complete code stubs prepared by more senior developers, participate in code review, prepares execute unit test and under their supervision, applies growing technical knowledge to maintain a technology area like database administration. This type of thing you may handle there. And the educational experience they are asking for, typically a technical bachelor degree equivalent experience or a minimum of 0 to 2 year related experience they are asking for. Knowledge and skills they are asking 0 to 2 years experience in writing code such as not limited to Java, C++, C Sharp, VB.NET. Databases like SQL Server or Oracle knowledge will be a plus point to you. Basic understanding of RDBMS is required, and database scripting is also required. Basic understanding of testing tools and testing scripting like black box testings, white box testing. Those things you need to be prepared about that knowledge of those things, because they will ask that thing in interview. If you really want to apply for this job, because it is a product based company, so you can happily apply there, and you don't take worry about salary. There will be a quite good salary for this position. And if you want to apply for this job, you need to click on apply link. It will be redirected to the application form of the particular job. You can see we have reached to the official website of HP Careers, and you need to accept these conditions. Okay, as if you are applying for this job, okay, then you can see the IT developer engineer 1, the job ID is 3065263. You need to click on apply now, and also you can go through the notification. It is also present in this website. So after clicking on apply now, it will be redirected to the application form. So if you don't have an account with LinkedIn or in the registered website of HP, then you need to create your account. So we will discuss that thing. And you can see this is the application form of the particular job post, IT developer. First name you need to give, last name, email ID, and area of interest like engineering service or engineering or information technology, from which discipline you are doing the graduation. Those things you need to give it here. And preferred communication language, then the job category, then job type, experienced or graduate or internship. You can uncheck all those things. You can check for graduate, multiple options for this particular option. Then you need to select on country, then you need to save and continue. And if you want to go to the next page, you can do this skip and continue. And if you want daily job alerts from HP, then you can fill these details. And if you want to just apply for this job, then you can skip and continue. Okay, so after skip and continue, it will be redirected to the sign in website, because I have shown you the last part, that was the sign up portion. So if you have already signed up, then if you have already account with HP, then you need to just sign in their website by clicking on email address and password, do the sign in option. Or if you don't have an account, then you just need to create your account. Okay, so this is the job notification from HP. So I will give this application link in my description box, and don't forget to share this news with your friends, because this will be very helpful to all of the graduate candidates of BA, BTech, BSc, MCA. So that's it, my friends. This is the job notification from Job Updates by Verma team. So if you want this type of job notification daily, please subscribe my channel, because it gives us motivation to work for you and to prepare video for you. Please subscribe and share as much as possible, and also don't forget to share your doubts in my comment box. And you can follow me in Instagram. My profile name is Job Updates by Verma. Thank you, friends. We will meet in next video. Take care.